Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm very excited to show you one of my all-time favorite recipes, my go-to, especially if I've got someone coming over to visit, someone dropping in unexpectedly, or if I have to go to a potluck or a party and I need to bring an impressive dish. This is perfect. I also like to make this just at home for myself because it's just so quick and easy to make, and it's almost like a restaurant quality dish that's thrown together with some simple ingredients that are really cheap and easy to access. So let's get into the recipe. So first up, what I've done is drained a tin of chickpeas, and I've also kept the liquid from the chickpeas because I like to use this if I'm baking or roasting potatoes or pumpkin, that type of thing. This makes it super delicious instead of using oil. So what I'm going to do is use the drained chickpeas and I'm putting them into a roasting container for my air fryer, but you could put them into a roasting dish and then cook all of this in the oven. So this is now going into the air fryer container. I've also chopped up about 4 large mushrooms, so it's about 2 cups worth, and I'm going to put these in as well. You don't have to use mushrooms. You can add any ingredients that you like to the chickpeas, as long as one of the ingredients has a little bit of moisture content. So you might want to use courgette or zucchini or some more tomatoes. It's totally up to you, but that extra bit of liquid is great for helping the chickpeas to really roast up nicely. Next, I'm adding a cupful of spinach, about half a cup of really small tomatoes. You could use cherry tomatoes or you could use some crushed tomatoes, totally up to you. This recipe is so versatile. As long as you use the base of the chickpeas, you can put any vegetables that you like. And finally, I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of chopped bell peppers. This is a yellow bell pepper that I'm adding in today, but you could use red, you could use green, you could use a totally different vegetable of your choice. As I said, this is really flexible. Now it's time to add some spices to this. So I'm going to start with some white pepper, some Himalayan salt, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and also some coarse black pepper. And you can season this up with any seasonings that you have, any herbs that you'd like to add. Just get very creative. You could do a bit of a curry spin on this, but I like the Italian flavors. Next, I'm adding half a teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then give this a bit of a stir through, just so everything is coated in those spices. Once this is mixed through, I'm going to put this in the air fryer for 10 minutes. While my air fryer is running, I'm going to prepare the other part of this dish. So I've got a small bowl here, and I've also got a small container of hummus. But I normally make my own hummus, but I had my mum come and visit and she dropped some small containers of hummus off for me, so I'm just going to use that. And then what I like to do, and this is where the creativity really comes in and it makes it look amazing, the presentation is amazing, I'm just going to spread it around in the bowl so it goes to the edge, and then just push it a little bit harder on the edge so there's a border. Okay, so I stirred these after about 5 minutes, and now they're ready to put on top of the base. Okay, so just give it a final stir through before topping the hummus base. And then you're going to start in the middle and just pile it high in the middle of this. And then once this is all on your hummus base, you can see it just looks amazing. If you wanted to, you could even put a few little crackers around the edge. You can serve it with carrots or cucumber, whatever you like to serve a dip with. This is amazing, and like I said, it looks amazing as well. And then just top it with some fresh herbs of your choice. I'm using basil, and then I've just got a little sprinkle of chili. You could do some fresh chili as well. The colors in this just look amazing, so the more colorful you make it, the better it is. I just love this. This is a great way to get in some cheap protein and absolutely delicious, and it looks amazing as well. And the all-important taste test. Oh, that is so, so good. I hope you love this as much as I do. It's delicious. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends, and check out the link below that will take you to the written recipe. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.